Okay, this is my summary for the video summarizing what an RUP is. There's four key features of what is an RUP. The first one, it is a software process model that defines an order of phases and describes transition criteria. Number two is component-based phases, software components, and well-defined interfaces. Number three, it is tightly related to a UML by notation and basic principles. And number four, which is what the rest of the videos were about, which is distinguishing aspects. A, it is use case driven. B, architecture centric. C, iterative. That's supposed to be iterative. And incremental. Use case driven, it should answer what is the system supposed to do for each user, and use case driven, the use cases define the function basically. Architecture defines the form of how the system should be structured, starts by creating a rough outline of the system and uses key use cases defined and which define subsystem. And then you refine architecture by using additional use cases here. Iterative and incremental. Each cycle results in a product release. So the last four videos or so are about that's supposed to be the inception phase, the elaboration phase, and inception, elaboration, construction, and transition, which is what is shown in the diagram here. It basically went into more specifics as to how these work and how if one passes, for example, if inception does not pass, then you have to rethink your strategy. It goes into way more detail about these four. I just kind of stopped it here because it's the video is less than a minute, probably gone over already. But yeah, it explained these four in quite a few detail, and it's tied into what we're doing with our plan document that we're working on now.